Hello, awesome people. Welcome to VP's Wealth Radio Show. This is Vijay Prakash, author of Amazon #1 best-selling book, Slumdog Investor. So today I was busy with an event. I was in a book launch, and due to which our video schedule is delayed, and I'm posting the video at this point of time. So commitment is a commitment, and I am supposed to deliver one video every day, right? So even if it is little delayed, it has to be delivered. Okay. So little bit modification which I have done in our schedule. So Saturdays, which used to be called My Life's Ritual, I have modified it to Crorepati Ritual, and Sunday, which used to be called Achievers Day, now we'll call it a Super Achievers Day. So either I will be talking to a super achiever, or I will be interviewing a super achiever as per the plan. Okay. So today I'm going to talk to you about a monthly ritual, okay, which is related to your finances. And if you will follow this ritual, and if you'll understand the principle which I'm going to teach you, folks, trust me, less than 1% people in India are following it, right? This ritual will not only help you save money, but it will also change your vibration towards the money. You will not look at the money the same way. Okay, so let's move on. I have created a format which is called for financial format, which I have been sharing in my webinars, and it is actually part of my book. you know so let me just share that with you. Okay, so this is how this format looks like. So what I want you to do at this point of time is, right, evaluate your net worth every single month. Okay, what is a net worth statement? Net worth statement is very, very simple. uh, it is basically you list down all your assets, and you list down all your liability. So this is the format. Okay, and don't worry, this format is going to be shared with you. This is an Excel format, and this is going to be shared with you. So what you have to do is you just list down your all assets, right, and your all liabilities. And from when you subtract your liabilities from the asset, what you get is your net worth, right? So asset is what you own, liability is what you owe. So what I want you to do is build your net worth statement, because it will bring lot of micro level visibility on your finances. So this is very, very important. Less than 1% people in India build this net worth statement. So please go ahead and fill in this sheet. Just talk about what are the cashes which is there in your account, where are your assets invested, what is happening to your retire fund, what is happening to your business ownership, what are the usage of asset, right? Look at your liabilities, your credit card debt, other types of loans, long-term mortgage, and things like that. So build your net worth statement. Okay. So you total asset minus total liability, that is what makes your net worth, right? Now the second thing what I want you to start is, this is a simple budgeting format, right? Some of you may be doing it, but what I want you to do is I have added an additional column, right, which is called need and want. Okay, so simple expenses, you just plan for the month, right? For your living and housing, regular payments, food expenses, personal expenses, transportation, miscellaneous. So you budget it, and you see what actually is happening. And this is a monthly activity. You don't have to shell out a lot of time for this. But another thing what I want you to track is whether it's a need or it's a want. Trust me, the way this generation is handling finance is definitely not the right way. Probably I see people going to shopping very often, and you buy things which probably you don't need. So everything what you are buying, I want you to put an RW. Okay, and if anything which you are buying, it is not a need but it's a want, okay, then that means that money you were about to spend, and you have to put that money into your savings account, something like FD or something. So need or a want, very, very important. Check that. The another thing what I want you to do is I want you to divide your money in this 5 wallet system. This is very much inspired by my mentor T. Harvaker. I have just done a little bit modification in this, that you divide your money. 20% goes towards investment, towards the stock or the mutual fund in the investment wallet. You can actually uh, keep a 5 wallet or a five account in which you can divide it. I mean, there are options of pocket in some of the bank accounts where you can divide this money. So your 20% goes towards investment, 10% towards your financial freedom. Financial freedom, the definition of the financial freedom is very, very simple. When your passive income can take care of your expenses, this is where you are financially free. Now, what is a passive income? The income for which you don't have to work. Active income is when you work, and that money you make, that is an active income. Passive income is even if you don't work, you make that kind of a money, right? So 10% for your education, very, very important, right? Because until unless you don't upskill, your income is never going to grow. So you will have to self-educate yourself. So 10% into education. Now manage your expenses with 50%, the money what you make, and for entertainment and charity, 10%. Okay. Now this is how I want you to divide your money. Now it may be possible right now your condition is not that great, so that you will be able to divide this money in equal parts. Okay. So what you are supposed to do is, can you start this practice with 100 rupees? Okay. And increase it every month. If you can really do, it's great. But if you're not able to do it, start this practice with 100 rupees. Next month make it 500 rupees. Okay. Or make it 200 rupees. And you double this every month. So first month 100 rupees, second month 200 rupees, third month 400 rupees, next month 800 rupees. So what will happen is you will start taking control, you will start taking charge of your finances. Okay. And if you can do it, trust me, if you will follow this, then sky is the limit for you. Because this is such a powerful thing that it really brings a kind of visibility and the control on your finances. Okay, let's move on to the fourth format. Now, I want you to take a look at the 7 income stream, which is job income. If you're somebody who only goes to job, you will have this job income. But then at least you should be having 2 to 3 income streams. So job income, right? So for me, I draw the salary from my business. So that becomes my job income, right? My business or a profit income. So I have a business and then I make a profit by selling my courses, by selling my coaching programs. I make that business income, right? I make profits in stocks, that becomes my profit income. Interest income, if you have a FD or if you have invested in a bond, from there you make an interest income, right? Dividend, if you have a shares, you make a dividend income. Rental, I mean, if this is the most difficult income actually, because you have to invest a lot in order to create this kind of an income. But then if you have a real estate and you are making a rental income, great. Then your capital gain income, right? So capital gain is something, again, when you sell a real estate or when you sell your shares and then you make that kind of income, that becomes your capital gain income. And the royalty income. So at this point of time, I am selling my books, I make a royalty out of it. So I want you to take a look at this 7 income stream and ask yourself, what are the possibilities to create income streams apart from the job income? I mean, creating all 7 income stream is only possible for extremely wealthy people. But just ask yourself, out of these 7, can I create at least 3 to 4 income streams? Right? Very, very important. So this is a financial format. I will be leaving a link. You can actually go and download this financial format. This is hosted in my share drive, and you can start using it. This is an excellent format which you can just go ahead and uh, use it for yourself. So follow this monthly ritual, build your net worth statement, check your net worth every single month, do the budgeting, take a look at your need or the want, follow the 5 wallet system and the 7 income stream. And trust me, this is the path of righteous. Okay. The simple thing and the simple habit will bring righteous for sure. Okay. So that is all I wanted to share in this particular video. Thank you so much for watching today, and tomorrow I will come with a new video. Thank you so much.